January the 8th, 2022. And it's been a while since I've done an aerial view of the Coventry subdivision on Jackson Road. The subdivision is adjacent to Emerald Mountain. And I can see that they are developing some more lots, as you can see at the bottom of the screen. It's my understanding that there are 66 houses in this phase of the project. And I believe I counted about 45 homes that have been built or are under construction. We're coming around to the wooded area where there are several homes that are built. This gives you a very good overall view of the development as it is right now. Here are the homes that are being built that are kind of off in the woods. There in the upper left-hand corner you can see the Redland Middle School, which is under construction as well. This whole development is a great addition to the Redland community. We're going to come around and get a bird's eye view of the clubhouse. Get a little bit better view of what it's going to look like. Beautiful countryside. In the upper left you can see the two water towers. The one that sits at Fire Tower Road and Redland Road is the one to the far left, and then the one to the right of it is the one that sits behind Redland Market on Redland Road. Give you an idea geographically how this development is situated. There is the clubhouse that is still under construction. Quite a nice facility. If you like this video, hit the like button. Also, hit the subscribe button as well. It really helps out the channel. Well, there you go. Thank you so much for watching.